SD70ACe up top, EMD, big power. SD70MAC there. The last one was an ES44AC, I think. Awesome train here. $10.75 non-odorized liquid petroleum gas, LPG. Awesome old gondolas here. Beautiful train. What does it say? Leave it in the comments. Well, there's a lot of interesting monikers on these tank cars, so it's fun to keep a close watch. Just saw JOs go by. Beautiful engines up top. Nitrogen, these green ones. The white ones and green ones usually get a lot of chemicals, and the black ones you'll get petroleum products, corn syrup, things like that. $20.55, I'm not sure what that is. If you know, leave a comment. Just around the corner up there, it's kind of swinging around to the left, is the Cajon Railway Summit. hear the horn of the engine honking, so it's at the summit right now. There's a crossing there. Usually when the front of that train gets over the summit, the back end picks up quite a bit speed. Well, we just had a couple trains, so we're not going to have any more for a while. We got to decide what we're going to do here. Just wanted to come out and get a few today. Get out of the house. I heard two horns. So we'll stay here a little bit longer, see if we get another train. We do have main track number 3 over here to the right. Up here we've got the Union Pacific line above these lines. That's the Palmdale cutoff up there. Cutoff. Well, that first train was about 3 minutes long. We turned it into a 12-minute video, so we've done well. Thanks to Buddy. What's next, Buddy? He just gave me a pause up, so it's going to be something good. Alright, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share with your family and friends, and watch a couple more. Charging hard for 10,000 subscribers. Thanks to each and every one of you. Shares, likes, everything helps the channel. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll watch a couple more.